on the auspicious occasion of 58th BSF Racing Day. The Border Security Force was raised on 1st December 1965 by Padma Vibhushan Shri K.F. Rustomji, IPS, after the Indo-Pak War, when the need for specialized and specific force to guard the borders was felt. Border Security Force guards 2,725 kilometers on western frontier with Pakistan and 4,096 kilometers on eastern frontier with Bangladesh. In addition, it takes pleasure of serving the nation on line of control, counter-insurgency, anti-Naxal operations, etc. With 25 battalions on the day of its inception, it has today become 193 battalions, including 4 National Disaster Management Battalions. The force has grown not only in volumes but also in its capabilities, as one can see air wing, water wing, artillery, bolstering the force in all the facets of national security. BSF has always played an important role in the nation's security matrix. The gallant role played by BSF during the militancy with Punjab, J&K and Northeast and in the areas affected by left-wing extremism has been applauded by one and all. The BSF Meghalaya frontier is strongly dominating about 444 kilometers stretch of international border with Bangladesh and undertaking various confidence building measures and public outreach programs to cement the relationship with border population of Meghalaya. BSF has distinguished itself with flying colors in each and every task assigned to it over the years. During the year, BSF Meghalaya frontier seized smuggled goods of more than rupees 25 crores, which include cattle, drug and narcotics, gold and various other items of daily use. In addition to these, 123 miscreants were apprehended while violating the sanctity of IP, comprising 61 Indians, 32 Bangladeshi and 30 Rohingyas. BSF Meghalaya frontier left no stone unturned to make the border safe and tranquil prevail. The Border Security Force is a unique force with both peace and war time roles, fighting against man-made and climatic threat day and night. I extend my gratitude and appreciate to all the media houses, both print and electronic, for highlighting achievement and other activities of BSF Meghalaya. I also appreciate